Hi Semua, today we're making Pulut Inti. It's a beloved Malaysian dessert. We enjoy it during special occasions and even as a sweet treat. Imagine soft, sticky rice. Now picture a rich, creamy coconut topping. That's Pulut Inti. It's a delicious combination of textures and flavors. You'll love how easy it is to make. Let's gather our ingredients and begin our culinary adventure. Before we start, let's get our ingredients. We need two main parts, the sticky rice and the sweet coconut filling. For the sticky rice, we'll need 2 cups of glutinous rice, 1 teaspoon of salt and water. For the coconut filling, we'll need 2 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of water, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt and pandan leaves for aroma. And of course, we'll need banana leaves for wrapping. Don't worry, we'll go through each ingredient carefully as we cook. First, we prepare the glutinous rice. Wash the rice until the water is clear. This removes excess starch. Then, soak the rice in water for at least 30 minutes. Soaking helps the rice to cook evenly. After soaking, drain the rice. Add the salt and enough water to cook the rice. Steam the rice for about 20 minutes. You'll know it's cooked when it's soft and sticky. Section 4. Crafting the sweet coconut filling. Now let's make the delicious coconut filling. Combine grated coconut, sugar, water and salt in a pot. For a fragrant aroma, add a few pandan leaves. Cook this mixture over medium heat. Stir it frequently to prevent burning. The filling is ready when it thickens. The coconut will absorb the liquid and become moist. Remove the pandan leaves and set the filling aside to cool. Section 5. Assembling the Pulut Inti. Now comes the fun part. Cut the banana leaves into squares. These will be our little pockets for the Pulut Inti. Spoon a dollop of the cooked glutinous rice onto each banana leaf square. Next, add a spoonful of the sweet coconut filling on top of the rice. Fold the banana leaf over to enclose the filling. Secure the edges with a toothpick. Section 6. Steaming to perfection. Arrange the wrapped Pulut Inti in a steamer. Steam them for about 15 minutes. This final steaming enhances the flavors and ensures everything is heated through. Once steamed, the banana leaves will turn a vibrant green. This indicates that the Pulut Inti is ready to be enjoyed. Section 7. Savoring the flavors of tradition. Carefully remove the hot Pulut Inti from the steamer. Let them cool slightly before serving. The aroma of banana leaves and coconut will fill your kitchen. It's simply irresistible. Pulut Inti is best enjoyed warm. The soft, sticky rice paired with the sweet, creamy coconut filling is a match made in heaven. It's a taste of Malaysian heritage.